What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl, Little Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? I am here to give you the step-by-step instruction. You read the title on Chante. Beautiful song, beautiful choreography. The song is Man. The choreographer is Shipp. The artist is Chante Moore. It is a one-wall dance. And there's two parts, and there's the tag. Are you ready? If you're interested in dancing along with me to make sure you have all the steps at the end of this video, I'm going to dance with the music. All right, let's go. All right. So this part here is what you're going to do when you do the verse. Okay? So it's out and up. On the right and the left. Out and lift, out and lift. Then we're going to do a cross and kick, cross and hold and, heel and. Again, out and up. Out and knee, cross and kick, cross and heel and, Okay? So, from the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So instead of doing a cross and kick, we're not going to do that. We're going to do up and, because we're getting ready to slide to the right. Okay? So that's going to help us. That's almost like the transition to get to the next step. We're going to slide to the right. Up and. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5, kick 6, cross 7 and 8 and. Slide in, out, tap, coast the tap, hold and roll. Okay? So what I added was, when I did the heel and, I slide to the right. Right, in, out, in. Left, in, out. Coast the tap, hold, and roll. So there's a pause there. Hold and roll. So we slide to the right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Tap on 4, coast the step. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? So let's put that together with the out and up, with the knee from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5, kick 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, tap 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? So that's it. So that's the verse. So in part 1, which is the verse, there's going to be 2 parts that we're going to do. So that's part 1A. Then we're going to do part 1B. Okay? And it's still the verse. So let me give you a review. Out and up on the right, out and up on the left. We do a cross and kick, right over left. Left over right, we do up and with a heel. Up, down. Slide to the right. Right, in, slide, in, out, coast the tap, pause, and roll. Pause and roll. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Coast the tap, pause, and roll. And notice my right heel is still up, okay? Because we're getting ready to go into still the verse, the second part of the verse, okay? From the top, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5, kick 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, coast 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8. Okay? Now, let's go up, still the verse. Right, left, tap, right, left, tap. So up, 1 and 2, back 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. do? I went up, right, left, tap, back, right, left, tap, pause, which is and I take my right, I go to the front, cross to the front, out, in, that's the right. On the left, I go out and in, and the right again, I go out and in. Again, right, left, tap, right, left, tap, pause, out, cross, out, in, out, in, out, in. Cross, out, in, out, in, out, in. Right, cross, 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 out, in. On the left, out, in. On the right, out, in. And let me give you the count. 5, 6, taking it up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I'm supposed to pause on and. 5, 6, 7, take it up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's it. Slow it down for you. 5, 6, 7, take it up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? So let's go back to the top. Out and up with the knee. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5, kick 6, 7 and 8, slide 1 and 2, slide 3 and 4, coaster 5 and 6, hold 7, roll 8, up 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? To finish out the verse, push up on the right. Right, half turn. Push up on the left, left. So we go 1, 2, up, 3, 4. Okay, so we make a half turn, back. Push up, turn back. 1, 2. Push up, turn back on the left. 3, 4. Turn back on the right. 5, 6, back, 7, 8. So it's almost like a salsa. So I go right, left, right, left. Right, left, back right, back left. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's all a part of one. Part of one. Okay? So there's 2 parts and a tag. So let's put it all together. 5, 6, let me give you a review first. So out and up on the right, out up on the left. Cross and kick on the right, cross and heel step. The setup to slide to the right, in, out, in, slide to the left, out, to the left, in, hold, coast the tap, hold and roll. Take it up. Right, left, tap, right, left, tap, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Push up on your right, half turn back, up on the left, stand back here, turn back on the right, with your right shoulder, and back on the left. Okay? And that's it. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross 5, kick 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, hold 7, roll 8, up 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, push 1 and 2, up 3 and 4, back 5 and 6, 7 and 8. There you go. Part 1. That's the verse. Okay? We'll go through it again. Let's do it again. Because when we go to part 2, make sure you have all of part 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, hold 7, roll 8, up 1 and 2, 3 and 4, hold 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, push 1 half, 2, up 3 and 4, back 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Last step was on the left, okay? Part 2, the chorus. Back on your right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Cross and cross. Out and cross, rock left, right, right. Done. I'm going to go back over, just giving you the concept. So my weight is on the left. I slide back on my right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I came back on my right. Now my right is out. I cross, and cross. Out and cross on the left. Out and cross on the right. Rock left, right. You do that because your weight is on the left. On the right now, you're going to do the same thing on the left. Left, right, right, cross, and cross. Out and in on the right, out and in on the left. Rock for 4. Right, left. That's the dance. We're going to get to the tag, which is very easy. And that's basically it. Let's go back. 5. We can slide back on the right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, cross, 7, and 8. Out, 1, and 2. Out, 3, and 4. Rock, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Out, 5, 6, cross, 7, and 8. Out, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that's your first rotation. Then you start back at the top. Now when you start back at the top, when it comes to the chorus, you're going to have to do it 4 times. So instead of staying at this wall, okay, you're going to walk around, make a half turn. And this is how you're going to do it. So this is on the second rotation when it comes to the chorus. You do this step, slide back on the right 4 times. And this is what you're going to do. 1, 2, and 3, 4, hold 5, 6, cross, 7, and 8. Out, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 1, and 2. Right, 3, and 4. Out, 5, 6, cross, 7, and 8. Out, 1, cross, 2, 3, and 4. Second rotation, we do it 4 times. Then we're going to walk around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Half turn with our right shoulder coming back. Do slide back on that right again. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Hold 5, 6, cross, 7, and 8. Out, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6, cross, 7, and 8. Out, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Yes, you're going to walk around. 5, 6, 7, 8, which is going to be right, left. Okay? So that's how you're going to do it, the second rotation. Because the chorus, which is part 2, you do it 4 times. So instead of doing it at this wall all 4 times, that second time, instead of rocking, you're going to walk around with the right shoulder coming forward, right, left, okay? Rotation 3, you start back at the top, okay? Then tag. When you finish that, you roll to the right. 1, 2, and 3, tap 4, roll 5, 6, and 7, tap 8. You're going to know what I'm talking about when you look at the demo, okay? This is the tag. Roll to the right for 2, roll to the left to 2. Then we're going to pivot. 1, 2 quarter, 3, 4 quarter, 5, 6 quarter, 7, 8. Okay? So far you roll 2 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're back at the top. With that right shoulder coming forward, we're doing a quarter turn each time. Then you roll again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then you do a rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, push 5, 6, 7, tap 8. I'm gonna go back to that. I know I took you for a loop right there. Okay, I just did the full turn. So rotation 3, I do part 1, which is the verse. Okay. Then comes the tag. The tag is I roll to the right for 2, roll to the left for 2, then I pivot around, right? Pivot, quarter turn, coming back to the front. Then I start with that roll to the right for 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Rocking chair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So just push forward, turn back, make a full turn. Right, right, left, tap right. Which is 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, right, left, right. Right shoulder coming back, making a full turn. If you don't want to turn, go right, right, left, tap. Right, left, right. Let me see. Right, right, left, tap. Okay, so if you're not going to turn back, I still want you to rock forward because we did that rocking chair. I want you to go right, 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 left, right. Okay? If you're not going to turn. If you turn, you go right, right, left, right. And tap on that right because we come back and finish the song out with the slide back. Okay? Okay? And once you've done that, the front and back wall with that walk around, you're going to just tap up to end the song. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the dance. On Chante. So, leave me a comment. And speaking of leaving me a comment, I want to give a shout out to everybody that leave me. I'm like, hold up. I get notification. I'm like, somebody left me a message. Hold on. I appreciate y'all so kindly for talking to me. I appreciate that. Shout out to everyone that leave a message and let me know what you think about the instructional. Thank you so very kindly. In fact, I just got a text saying, no, I don't teach too slow. So that's somebody that watched the video that's just tickled pink because I'm explaining to y'all I don't teach too slow. Y'all learning faster. Y'all becoming a better student. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. And that's it. That's it. At the end of this video, guess what? We can dance together. I'm going to put on the music and we can dance together. It's a beautiful line dance. So guys, my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.